Hello guys, good evening everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Tonight, we will discuss about the 9 leads out Y connected dual voltage motor. This is line 1, terminal 1 and coil niya partner T4. Then jumper sa terminal 7. Then line 2, T2, coil niya partner is T5. Then naka-jumper siya sa T8. Then line 3, T3, naka-partner niya coil is T6, then jumper to T9. T9, T8, and T7 join together para sa series Y connection. This is the diagram. T1, T2, T3, T4, T5, T6, T7, T8, T9. Ang T1, partner niya T4. T2, T5, T3, T6. Ang T4 ang T7, T8, and T9 naka-jumper together. Then, T-ball natin, high voltage connection series Y. Line 1 is T1. Then, T4 and T7 naka-series para sa line 1. Line 2, terminal 2. Ang T5 and T8 naka-series siya para sa line 2. L3, line 3 is terminal 3. T6 and T9 naka-jumper para sa line 3 natin. Then another is parallel Y. This is T1, coil niya partner T4. Then T2, naka-coil partner T5. Then T3, coil T6. Ang T5 and T4 naka-join together para sa Y connection. Then this is T7, T8, then T9, coil T6, T4, T5. For line T9 and T3 naka-jumper for line 3. T2 on T8 is line 2. T1 and T7 is line 1. This is coil. T1 and T7 coil and T4, T2 and T8 para sa line 2 coil T5. T3 and T9 coil ka-jumper siya T6. T4, T5 and T6 naka-series siya, join together. T-ball natin, low voltage connection parallel Y. Connection L1, line 1, T1 and T7. Line 2, T2 and T8. Line 3, T3 and T9. Naka-jumper siya. Then join T4 and T5 and T6. Parallel Y connection. Bible verse of the day. Ephesians 4, verse 26 to 27. Be angry and sin not. Let not the sun go down upon your wrath, neither give place to the devil. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And please don't forget to hit the notification bell para updated ka sa next videos na akong i-upload. Thank you for watching guys, and God bless. To God be all the glory.